We are Green Career Gate, a youth-led initiative from Indonesia. We stand at the intersection of degrading environment and the scarcity of meaningful careers. We are here to turn a simple act of kindness, the act of listening, into a movement. Indonesian youth face a cruel paradox. We are told to save the planet, yet we are paralyzed by career anxiety. Green jobs exist, but the path is hidden. How can we fight for the future when we can't even secure our own livelihood? Our solution is Green Sparks, a raw, intimate dialogue series to bridge that gap. But we don't just talk. With this funding, we integrate self-educations, add both AI, turning inspiration into tangible digital skills building for everyone. This isn't just an event. It's a launchpad for a resilient, eco-conscious workforce. By using AdBot AI, the learning continues long after the dialogue ends, ensuring that today's hope becomes the reality of Indonesia's green transition. We are Green Career Gate, and we are ready to turn small acts of kindness into a green career revolution. Help us bridge the gap between anxiety and action.